In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image and place the vector using Image Tracer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the Image Tracer tool, prepare your image, and place a clean vector version on your canvas. I'm assuming you already have your file open and an image visible on your canvas, since we'll be selecting it partway through. Start by clicking on the action icon. Depending on your interface, this is usually near the top bar and opens a quick command or global search. It's the fastest way to find tools without digging through menus. In the search field that appears, type image tracer. Spelling matters here, so enter it exactly. You should see results populate as you type. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second. Search indexes can take a moment, especially on large projects. Next, go to the Plugins and Widgets section in that search view. This is where external tools and add-ons live, and it's where Image Tracer will show up when it's available for your workspace. Click on Image Tracer to open it. The plugin panel should appear. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to save or pin it, so it's easier to access later. Click on Save. This step ensures the plugin is added to your workspace or favorites. You won't have to search for it every time. It's a small move that saves a lot of time across projects. Now click on the image you want to convert. Selection is important here. The plugin needs to know which image to trace. If you're choosing between options, higher contrast images typically produce cleaner vectors. Click on Image Tracer again to run it with your image selected. You're simply reopening the plugin so it can analyze the selected image. If the panel is already open, just make sure it's focused and recognizes your selection. Finally, click on Place Traced Vector. The plugin will process the image and drop a vector version onto your canvas. This may take a moment, especially for larger or more detailed images. When it appears, you'll have scalable paths you can edit, recolor, and resize without losing quality. Keep your original image nearby if you want to compare results or adjust later. That's the entire workflow. Click the action icon, search for Image Tracer, use the Plugins and Widgets section, open it, save it for later, select your image, run the plugin again, and place the traced vector. With this saved to your toolkit, turning raster art into clean, editable vectors becomes a quick, repeatable process.